Here's how to create a fragmentation effect in Premiere Pro. Start with a clip that has a slow zoom out effect. Duplicate your video clip by holding Alt and dragging it to the track above. Select the duplicated clip and activate keyframing for the scale property in the effect controls. Set the initial scale value to 160%. Move your playhead forward a few seconds and adjust the scale value to 120%. Create 2 additional duplicates of your clip. Temporarily disable the middle 2 layers by clicking their visibility icons. Select the top clip and add a rectangle mask from the opacity settings. Resize and position this mask over one facial feature. Select the next clip down and add another rectangle mask, positioning it over a different facial feature. Repeat this process for the remaining clip, masking another distinct area. Reactivate all your layers and slightly offset the timing of the top 3 clips to create the fragmented appearance.